Hi,
Hello,
Bobby.
hello, Eric.
How are you?
Oh, perfect. Thank you. How are you?
Fine, thanks.
So how do you want to start now? We can check your trades first if you want, or how do you like to start?
I didn't find any trade.
Yeah. So you haven't taken any trades since last time we talked?
No, I entered in one, but I lost 3%. But it was too risky because I entered. It was not the criteria.
Yeah.
But it was touched, and I just put the $10 to check. And can you can see my spreadsheet in your.
I will check it. Wait, I will just check this one trade. Just a second.
Yes, hold on, please. Hold on. But now the Bitcoin get down like 8%. Huh?
Yeah. I was expecting about it because there was a divergence and it already went up a lot. So this is normal now. You still have some Bitcoin, right? You are keeping your money in Bitcoin.
I keep my money in Bitcoin, but
Yeah. But it's okay because you are.
I don't know if I leave or not,
Yeah.
or not.
Yeah. It's okay. Maybe it's better if you just hold because um if you are always going out and in, it might be harder. I will open your spreadsheet now. I can just let me just. You want me to share my screen and we will check these trades together? I can share my screen.
Yes. Now my connection is better because I'm in my house in Mexico City.
Yeah. So is it this one, the bat trade?
The bad trade, yes.
So you increase your account? You are trading on a bigger account now?
No, I was on the levels of
But your account
less. No,
your
I
account
lost
yeah.
like $30.
What is this?
I lost like $10. I think so.
No, but I mean your account balance is bigger $2,800. Before it was 1,300 or something
No,
like.
no, no, because I took like $200. I live. I took, and now is my my balance is 200, 2,500.
2,500. But last time that we talked, I think it was 1,130.
Yes, and I increased to 2,790.
Yeah. So you added more.
But now I have 2,500.
Yeah, because the new money that you added, it's also in Bitcoin.
Yes, so everything is in Bitcoin.
Yeah. Yeah, so you don't have screenshot for this trade, but what happened with this one? It wasn't. You said something like, it's not with the strategy.
Yes, if you go to BAT BC,
Yeah, I will open it in just a second.
I enter. I entered on 1372
Oh, you enter on the
on
the Bitcoin pair or the USDT?
and the Bitcoin pair.
Yeah.
It was BAT on. If you want, I can show my screen.
Yeah.
I will click here now. share screen share.
You enter here? Yeah.
I enter on this day because I saw that this candle was bigger than this one.
But you know that we do you know that we only enter when the EMAs cross, or you?
Yes.
Yeah.
That's because I didn't find any trade.
Oh yeah, so you are excited to trade. That's normal, but yeah, but we should not really enter because this will probably, as you can see, you got stopped out, or what happened?
I was step out here. Right
Yeah,
on 13 12.
yeah,
And but I was almost I was deciding to be out on this level. I will exit on this level, but I didn't want. So the little candle was in the downtrend. But I
yeah.
was to exit here, but I didn't do it. I feel that I should exit, but I didn't do it.
Yeah, yeah, that's okay. But we should not really enter. But it's normal because right now there are no trades because these altcoins, I think they will now switch to bullish. And while this happen, I mean, when you get these scenarios when they are switching from a downtrend to an uptrend, it's normal not to have signals, and it's going to be like. Because on the different time frames the EMAs are going to show different. For example, you see on your chart on the 6 hour is bullish, but on the 12 hour it's still bearish, on the daily it's still bearish. So
Yes.
what we can wait is for everything to switch to bullish, like the 12 hour and the daily to switch to bullish, and then we will start taking trades as well.
There were some Michaels that I was turning to bullish, like JYFI, but now
Yeah,
it's in bearish. No, I think so.
yeah, the daily it's not yet, it's almost there, right? But
Yeah.
but not yet.
Yes, because I didn't find any trade to be in the strategy.
Yeah, that's normal. That's normal. But we can also switch to trade USD pairs soon, against USDT, and over there is trades.
Really?
Yeah, yeah, because of the Bitcoin, we can do that. Also, I can show you what I will be doing now because I will be doing something else. Have you seen the video with the this video that I was talking about investment?
Yeah, that's what I want to show you because I was watching yesterday your video when altcoins is in uptrend and Bitcoin is in uptrend, which is the best momentum, no? In the I didn't I took a picture, but I didn't find it.
Yeah,
And you have a video where you show what happened if the pair of Bitcoin and USDT is in uptrend and the altcoin and USD is in uptrend, and which is better, no? To be
yeah. Last, yeah, I can show you if you want how I'm gonna do it now because this is what happened um, before, and if it happened now, it can be a big opportunity. If you want, I can show you this so you can take advantage of it as well.
okay.
I will just I think my screen is shared. I will just open here on the chart and I'll show you. But this happened last time when the Bitcoin break above the previous all-time high. In the previous all-time high, let me just find it quickly here. Um, the previous all-time high was 1,100 something in 2015, I think, or something like this. Let's see now. So this is why I'm thinking now to trade to start trading the USDT pairs, because you will see now in a moment they run a lot last time
Do
when
you,
this.
do you see my screen? That's the picture.
So you are watching the video with the market cycles. Yeah.
Yeah, I was thinking in that. What now? What is the possibility now?
Right now, actually, yeah, soon this Bitcoin and altcoin cycle, this in the middle, I think it will come. It will start coming now. This cycle that is in the middle, Bitcoin and altcoin cycles. That's why we should be trading the alt USDT. But until now, it was the Bitcoin cycle. So basically the altcoins against Bitcoin, they were going down, and the Bitcoins against USDT was going up. On the right side, you see it, right?
Okay.
Yeah, we were in this cycle, the Bitcoin cycle so far, but I believe now soon we can switch to the Bitcoin and altcoin cycle. I mean, maybe Bitcoin will go down now a little bit, and then when it starts to go up again, probably we will already be in the Bitcoin and altcoin cycles, which is the best cycle. This is where we can make most money because everything is going up. I will show you now such a cycle and when exactly it happened before.
Okay.
And this is why now I expect it to happen again. Let me just fix this here. I guess you can see my screen.
Yes.
So let me first show you here the Bitcoin. Let me just close this spreadsheet.
I saw your last video about that you can. There is a risky opening trade where you can get like 1,000 times or 100 times or.
Yeah, it's this video. So you watch it?
Yeah.
Yeah, so you know about it, right? But I can show you how I'm gonna play it, because in the video I was talking about the Bitcoin pairs, but I will actually play it on the USDT pairs, and it started to happen right now.
Oh, okay.
So basically here is the previous all-time high, right? 1000. And so Bitcoin went in a bear market, just like what happened now. And when it started to break above it, it happened here in February 2017. And I can show you now just in a second the altcoins. So if we check, let me just bring three. So this is the Bitcoin. Let's just check the XRP. First we need this on a weekly. We need this on a weekly as well.
Do you have a premium? How do you say in TradingView? Do you have the top membership or the Pro Plus?
Just the Pro Plus, but you can get the which one do you use?
The Pro Plus, yeah.
Yeah.
Because now is the Black Friday.
Yeah.
And it's 60% off the premium. But I don't know if it's worth it.
I mean, for our strategy, the Pro Plus is good, but it depends on you. If you need something more, you can get it as well. So this is what happened here. You see how the XRP against Bitcoin, it went up a lot, right? But if we measure it, we will see that. Let me just find this. If we measure it from the bottom to the top, it's like 3,200%. But since the Bitcoin, it was going up as well, which do you think it will go up more? The XRP against Bitcoin or the XRP against USDT in percentages?
I saw the USDT.
Yeah, the USDT. It started from here again, and look, it went up 30,000. It went up 31,000%. This one went up.
Yes.
Yeah. So my point is that I will show you now. I'm gonna be trading the USDT pairs, and you can do the same. And I will show you now how I'm gonna enter. Let me just bring now back this to 2. So we have the Bitcoin, and here we have the XRP. I will be entering on these altcoins on the daily time frame, and I will enter with our strategy. But I already started to enter, right? I will start enter. I will enter with the our strategy, but on the daily time frame only. Still with the 8, 13, 21, and 55 from our strategy, the EMAs, right?
Okay.
But I will enter on. I will show you now. Let me just delete this. I will enter very simply. I will start entering on these altcoins when the 8, 13, and 21, when they cross above the 55. It already happened on some of the coins, but on most of the coins, it's happening now, or it did not happen yet.
Okay.
So I will not look at other time frames, basically just the daily time frame. And when the 8, 13, and 21 cross above the 55, I will enter. And let me show you what happened last time. If you catch this, basically on this candle you are going to enter. Stop loss, let's say below this level. And let's see now when let me actually make this bigger. So this was this scenario that we were talking about. Look, they never cross below. They never close below. Still here. Here they cross below. So basically, actually on this one. So you are going to catch a huge move. Let's see how much on the daily time frame. I mean, also if we are watching some other stuff, we can even get a better exit somewhere in this range. But even if we exit in the worst case scenario, it's still like how many percentages? We're still gonna catch like 600% or something like this.
Okay. You know, I was analyzing that movement. Within 2 hours and the 2 hours and the 6 hour. I was thinking something similar.
So you are analyzing this same cycle here? I mean, this same move?
Yeah, but between 2 hours as a trigger and the 6 hour.
And
time.
yes.
Yeah, that's what I decide to enter to the BET, because maybe I can try it on this, because I was watching something similar. I was analyzing that kind of trade.
But yes.
But only when you were when it start to cross, you should enter.
Yeah, that's what I'm going. But we can still do it on the. I mean, we are still going to be trading on the 2 hour as well. What I'm gonna do is, because the 2 hour is going to catch big moves as well. I mean, the 2 hour is going to catch this type of stuff. I don't know exactly where it's gonna enter and exit, but it's gonna catch this. I mean, our strategy that we are trading is gonna catch this. So we are still going to trade our strategy, but I am planning to be taking trades on the daily as well, because it's gonna be very easy. You are going to enter here in March, and you just gonna stay for very, very long time, for many, many months. So basically, I will just put some money on a different Binance account, and I will just take these trades on the daily. And if this is about to happen, you can stay in one trade for like 3 months, even 3 months and a half. And it's very easy, right? This one is going to be very easy to take advantage of. So this is why I'm planning to do it on the daily, but still we're gonna be trading it on the 2 hour with our strategy as well, because it's gonna catch.
Okay.
Yeah, it's gonna catch.
You only will take the daily time frame as your trigger, and for entering and exit in this strategy.
Yes, but this one I will be doing it just for now, because it presents great opportunity if what happened before happens now. This is why I'm gonna do it, right? But I will still you trade the strategy just like usual.
Okay.
Yeah. And what about you? Are you you said that you were looking on 2 hour and 6 hour. Are you looking on BTC pairs on in the USDT pairs?
Only BTC pairs.
Yeah.
Because I was analyzing Ethereum versus Bitcoin.
Yes.
That it was in the same like this one.
If it was in the
Like an uptrend, no?
Ethereum.
Since the Ethereum in November 21, I saw that it was the moment.
Yeah, but the day. But what is your opinion on this one? That is in an uptrend.
Because I was thinking like the 2 hours be the same trigger to be my trigger.
The 2 hour to be your anchor and trigger. I mean, to take trades on the 2 hour on itself.
Yeah, 2 hour, the 2 hours and the 6 hours, then the 6 hour time frame only.
Only 2 hour and 6 hour basically. Yeah, I see. You can and you check some trades like this.
Only Ethereum. I was thinking because the other one I didn't find any relation or any something similar.
Yeah, you can do that. I was doing like this before the 2 hour and the 8 hour, not in the 6 hour. I was doing 2 hour and 8 hour, but I still find out that to add higher time frame, it's at least at the time it was doing better, because sometimes, I mean, there were still originally I was trading just the 2 hour. Originally I was just trading the 2 hour without anything else. The 2 hour, when it gives signal I'm entering, and when it give exit I'm exiting, just the 2 hour. But it has a lot of downside. I mean, it has a lot of fake signals, false signals, and it's hard to trade it because sometimes you can go down a lot. So this is why I added these other time frames as a protection, because they are protecting you basically. To I mean, many times you might miss a move, but still in the long term they are protecting you.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Yeah. In one of your videos, you say as higher the time frame is better. No? This more consistently.
Yeah, that's true.
Information.
Yeah, and for example, right now, the daily is the most important from these four time frames. The daily is the most important, and if the daily is bearish, but you are entering in a long on the 2 hour, you are entering against the higher time frame trend, and sometimes this will play out, but this will only play out when there is a reversal, because it's normal if there is a reversal the 2 hour to catch it first, but most of the time there won't be a reversal, and this is going to be a fake signal. So you either gonna make a very small money or you're not gonna make money at all.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
And
so
yeah.
Do you see another in a daily time frame? Do you see some altcoins or?
The altcoins, what I'm gonna do now is I will all these altcoins that are available for trading again in the isolated margin, I can give you this list. Yesterday I made a list with let me see if it's this one, with all the oh, it's not this one. Let me see which one is it. This one. I made a list with all the USDT coins in the isolated margin. It's like 130 coins or something like this. I can give you this list if you want. And on this, in this list, I will be entering on the daily time frame against USDT. Okay. This one that we talk about.
How much percentage of your balance do you will use in this strategy?
I will put some, I mean, I will still, by the way, with this strategy, originally I was thinking just to buy these coins as an investment and just to hold it. But I'm not gonna do this because this is more risky. That's why I decided to trade with the strategy, because with the strategy you're still gonna risk 1% on every trade, right? I mean, when for example here you get the signal, you're still gonna risk
Yes.
1%. So basically, I will put here, I don't know, maybe $8,000, something like this. I will do this in a separate account. I will just put this in the isolated margin, and I will
Okay.
open trades on these altcoins. Because what happened before, I mean, when bitcoins break above the 20,000 now, if something similar happen, it means that people will start buying altcoins like crazy, and they will be probably buying every single altcoin out there. So this is why I will just enter in all these altcoins that give signal, and I will hope this to happen. If it does not happen and the DCMAs they cross below, I will just exit and wait for the next signal.
Okay.
Also,
Okay.
also on the Bitcoin, let me just show you on the Bitcoin. We can do this as well, but we kind of let me just show you here on the daily time frame on the Bitcoin with the 4 EMAs. If you just enter on the daily, oh, it's not this one. Let me use this.
But you don't consider the 200 EMAs, no?
I don't really consider it for.
That I saw in your videos of the Hallmark sign or Hallmark graphic, and where you show the 200 EMAs. If it's below or up, or it's better, no?
Yes, I mean, with this strategy, I'm not doing it, but the 200s, before originally I started doing it, but I realized that I should just remove it and use these EMAs. But yes,
Okay.
the 200s are good to have. But with this strategy, you don't have to worry about if you change it or do something, then you can add it, or to some other strategies I have that I'm adding the 200s, but with this one is okay. So basically,
You consider the Bitcoin is going to be in uptrend too.
yeah, the Bitcoin is already in an uptrend, but let me just show you. So basically, if you did this same strategy on the daily with the EMAs, you are going to enter somewhere in this range, right? Somewhere in this
Yes.
range, $1,000. And let's see how long you are going to be in this trade. Basically, for the whole time, this never gave you an exit signal. Just when the Bitcoin hit the top of 20,000, after this, you see now here the 21 did not cross below, so you are still going to be in this trade for many months.
Okay.
So this is a great strategy even on the daily only, but when there is trend, right?
Yes.
When there is trend, it will keep you, and you will not be sweating should you sell, because you just know that you can sell when the strategy give you exit, which happen somewhere here. So you are going to make 800% here as well, just simply if you waited for the strategy, right, to exit.
And there are many points to enter, no? Because you should check that the EMAs get together and then start expanding, no? And is the moment to enter.
Oh, no, with this strategy we don't enter. You mean something like this, then we will enter again.
Yes. No.
Oh, uh,
For example, if you are that happens on the 19th July, no? 19th July, but you're now in September. In September 18, can you enter?
oh, you mean right now?
Yes. If you have the EMAs together, for example, yes, in that point, suppose that we are in this date, October 13.
Yeah.
Can I enter?
Let me just see. For you can enter here because I mean we only enter when the EMAs cross from
Yes,
bearish to bullish. So in this case you're gonna enter, yes, but you will
but
enter.
but making the strategy, that the candles must be higher, the close.
Yeah, on this candle you are going to enter.
Yes, yes.
On this candle, and you are still going to be in this trade, but we don't enter when, for example, when something like this happen. Are you gonna enter or no?
Uh,
Let me go closer so you will see. Are you gonna enter somewhere here or no?
I think it's too risky to enter.
Yeah, my point is because we just enter when we get the cross, right? After the cross we enter, and then no matter what happen we don't enter. We will just, next time that we're gonna enter is when all of these three cross below, and when they cross above, this is when we're gonna enter again.
Okay. In that point that you showed me, you cannot enter.
No, you should not enter here based on this strategy. If you have another strategy, or you want to enter based on something else, like there is a triangle here or something else, you can enter. But specifically on the daily time frame and with this strategy, we don't enter on this.
Okay.
We don't enter when there is a squeeze, and then we enter when there is a crossover only. When there is a cross.
Okay. When it turns it recross, and only that.
Yeah.
Because I was thinking my way of thinking before this, it was to enter because it was an opportunity, maybe.
You are thinking to enter here?
No, for example, here in 5 candles more.
Wait, I think.
On the 26th.
Oh, so here you were thinking to enter?
Okay. The 26th. Yes, that candle.
No. I
yes.
also.
Can that be possible, or is too risky?
Yeah, no, you should not enter here. I think that yeah, because before I also saw you that you are entering in these scenarios, but we don't enter only when there is a cross, right? I mean after the cross we only enter after the cross of the EMAs, but
okay.
In this case they did not cross, right? I mean they are bullish. They started to be bullish since this moment. So here you are going to enter.
Yes.
Here you are not going to enter. Next time that you are going to enter is basically after they went bearish here. Then when they went bullish again, here you are going to enter. So here no, but here yes. On
okay.
this one.
Okay.
But this is very important because I think I saw you on the 2 hour before to try to enter as well. I think when you join the mentoring program, you enter before also on such a scenario on this Wi-Fi or something. You fee this coin, but we should not do this only when there is a cross.
Okay. We should be calm because I'm so excited to get trades.
Yeah, this is normal, but
you get desperate, no?
Yeah, it's more risky, and this is our edge, right? I mean, the whole point in trading is to have an edge, to have something that is basically working, and you know that it's working. So the percentages are in your favor. So this is an edge, and in our case, the edge is when there is a crossover. So if you enter on some other scenarios, it's different, right? So we don't know if this type of scenario works in the long term. Just like you said, it's risky, so we better, I mean, we don't enter, we just enter when there is the crossover is our edge. The crossover, and then the pullback, and then the candle, you know the criteria later, and then we enter.
Okay.
So for example, now if this goes down and they go and squeeze, you will not enter. You will enter only if a person now goes and wants to enter in a Bitcoin, he first have to wait for these three to cross below the 55, and when they cross above, you can enter, or simply he can just go on a lower time frame and enter over there as well.
Okay.
Yeah. So also you can use this strategy also, for example, when it bear cross, you can, because you keep your money in Bitcoin, what you can do is when it bear cross, it means that it's probably in a downtrend a little bit, so you can exit. You can do this on the weekly as well, but the weekly is very bullish. The weekly is very bullish. You can use this strategy on every time frame to just to analyze the trend, because it tells you what the trend is once you open it. So the weekly is in an uptrend since like $8,000, $9,000. The weekly is in an uptrend, so you can do this as an investment as well. While the weekly is in an uptrend, you can keep your money in Bitcoin. When it goes in a downtrend, for example here in this range, but the weekly is kind of too slower to react. You can do it on a shorter time frame.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. What is something else that you want to talk about?
No, it's because I thought there's no trade. I so I have to be calm. I don't know how to say it, to not to excite to enter to any trade. Huh?
Yeah, it's normal for you to be excited, but let's open here the results from the strategy. Let me just
Is
I
there any reading that you recommend from your PDF that you send, that you share?
which PDF?
You share some lectures, some books.
The books. Yeah, these are great books. The Trading in the Zone book is about psychology, so you can Trading in the Zone by Mark Douglas. It's it's in there in the courses. If you want, I can send it to you. This one is good. But basically, have you seen it? Have you seen this book, Trading in the Zone?
No, so I saw your books that you share. That you share. I just download.
Yeah, so you have it then, Trading in the Zone. But in order for you to be patient, you just have to understand that it's basically not how many trades you take. It's sometimes it's just better to wait, right? Because if you are sure that let's open the strategy here. If you are sure that the strategy is working, right, which it is, because I mean I tested it for long time, so it's working in all types of conditions. It's just better to I mean you will know that you just sometimes when you have to wait, you have to wait, and that's okay, because if you force trades, you might lose money, right? And it's better not to make money rather than to lose money. I mean, every dollar that is
Okay.
saved, it's like it's win, because it's very normal the strategy for the strategy not to be giving signals right now while this transition happens.
Okay.
Let's just open here
I was watching your video yesterday. That you how to make 1,000 monthly. I saw your spreadsheets that you
yeah.
were showing. You took in a month. You took like 60 trades. No?
Yeah, this strategy gives that much trades on the BTC pairs, something like this, 50-60 trades a month. But by the way, this is I design it for me because I don't want to be trading that actively. But what about you? You want to trade more actively? Like how much time you have every day to be trading?
You know, I work in a desk in front of the computer, and I have two monitors. One is for the trading, and one is for my job.
Oh, so you can be trading all day?
Yes.
Oh, so you can day trade if you want. You can absolutely day trade. I mean, if you want more action, you can be day trading. I have courses on the day trading, and you already have these courses with strategies for day trading. I don't know if you have checked it or no. The I have some new courses with strategies.
Okay, I haven't checked. The last that I read is scalping.
Yeah, scalping. I
But is it in a minutes or hours? No, it's that trading. No?
it's in what?
You should consider in minutes. No, I think so. In scalping, I
You
saw your videos once
yeah.
that I bought, but I didn't understand too well if I should enter on hours or minutes.
Ah, you enter on the minutes. The hourly time frame is the anchor time frame. You are entering on the minute time frame on the
But
15.
it's too pressure to make scalping. I think so.
Yeah, you can do something else. You can check the course. There is the day trading with moving averages. If you like moving average, by the way, which indicators do you know to use and which you understand most?
The EMAs.
The EMAs. Okay, so you can check. I have one of the courses. You already have this course in this big bundle.
Yes.
In this big bundle, you have this course. It's called day trading with exponential moving averages or with moving averages. This course you
Okay.
can check, and there is a strategy. The strategy is kind of similar to what we are doing now, but it's on the 15 minutes time frame, so you can trade it if you want, because you said that you are on the computer all day, so you absolutely can trade this, and it's similar to what we are doing, so it's gonna be easy for you to trade it because it's with moving averages, and you already know moving averages, so you can use this one.
Can you check my screen? Can you see my screen?
Yeah, it's this one, day trading scalping strategy. Oh wait, let me see which one. Yes, with day, day trading scalping pro strategy with moving averages. It's this one.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Yes, exactly the one. Yes, exactly that you are pointing it. So here there is this strategy that it's working very well, but it has to be on a pair. For example, I'm testing it in the course on this coin Yuffie, or I don't know how to pronounce it, and it's
Yes.
yeah, yes, it's
The
giving.
YFI, no?
Yes, this one, and it's giving amazing results for. I mean, it's just giving amazing results because the moving averages, they are catching trend very well, and these new coins on Binance, they are kind of always trending a lot. So this strategy will catch it on the 15 minutes time frame is just catching some monster trades. You can trade this, absolutely you can trade it, because you are very lucky that you have such a opportunity. Basically, you are working from your computer. You can be day trading all day.
Yes, I my proper boss. I work for myself. I don't work for a company as an employment.
Yeah,
That's my opportunity.
yeah, this is just amazing. You can really be day trading. You can absolutely check this strategy and day trade these new coins on Binance or any other coin that is trending. You can trade it on the. Have you already traded on the minute time frames?
No, I haven't.
Yeah. By the way,
I was watching the video, but I want starting to make that kind of trade. But when I saw your last, it happens that you showed your mentoring program, and I decided to change.
yeah, you can trade both, because this strategy that is in the mentoring program is very passive, so you can easily trade it without a problem, and it will give you amazing returns right in the long term. But since you have, I mean, this one, because I decided to use this because I'm using it, and I think most of the people don't have the opportunity that you have. For example, most of the people, they have regular jobs, so they don't have so much time, and this will be very good for them. But in your case, you have a great opportunity to that you are working for yourself and from your computer, so you can still use this. You can still continue this because it's very easy, right? And as you can see right now, there are no even trades, so this one is very easy to follow. But you can, during the rest of the time, you can be day trading with the other one.
Okay, okay.
Just the question is just how to do it, because if you are going to do it on the same account, how you're gonna be doing it, this might be a little bit confusing or hard for you. Do you have the ability to open another account on Binance?
Yes. I
Oh,
don't know, 1,000 or
uh,
how much do you think so, or 500 or
yeah, you can start with something small, but in Binance, in order to open account, did you verify your account?
yes.
Yeah, if you want to open another one, you have to open it under someone else's name, someone from your family. You can open it under their,
Um,
because you cannot verify more than one account. I mean, you cannot have more than one account under your name that is verified.
okay, okay.
But if you have someone from your family that you can open, and on the other account you can use the day trading, you can start with something small, and then you will see the results much faster with this strategy on the 2 hour. You see the results. I mean, the results are taking long time because it's very passive, right? But
Yeah.
um, with the day trading, you will see the results much faster because you are taking more trades, and you will get results, yeah, faster.
How much is the percentage that you can target on the day trading?
A
To,
lot. You can make a lot. I mean, in your case, you have free time all day, so it really depends how many hours you are going to trading, but you can make a lot because you can enter in many pairs. I mean, you can pick many pairs and use margin to enter in simultaneously in more than one coin to be entering. I mean, you can do the same process basically. Have your list of coins, then have the strategy, and then just scan this list of coins all the time, set alarms, and enter in these trades. And you can be enter in this. I mean, in the video you will see that only on one pair it made like 50% on the account, I think, something like this, and this is only on one pair. You can trade many pairs in the same time.
okay.
You can probably I mean, you can make a lot basically. In your case that you have so much free time, you can make a lot if you put a lot of hours in.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, it can be like 8 hours minimum. I can be in front of the computer because that's the time that I work.
So you work 8 hours every day?
Yes, from 8 to 10 hours.
Yeah, you can do this basically. You can do 8 hours every day, and then for the rest of the day you might not do it, or it really depends on you. If you want, you can start. I mean, you can watch. If you have time, you can check the strategy, and then you can start trading it if you want. And next time we're gonna go through this. I mean, on the next session, so we will see
Okay.
how you are doing with this.
Do you send me your list of coins? Or?
I'm not doing this strategy, but for this strategy, it's the coins that have to that you have to be trading is. I mean, it needs to be trending. And what I notice is that these new coins on Binance, that for example, let's open here the isolate the list. These new coins on Binance, they are trading a lot, like I don't know, like sushi, for example, like
Yeah.
these UFI coins, the Uni, these new coins that are released on Binance, they tend to trend. Let's just check this one.
So there are two more strategies, no? The daily time frame as an investment, and this that is the daily, the last one, this last one, no?
Yeah, so the daily. So you going to do the one with the daily as well?
Yes, because I want to learn many strategies, no?
Yeah, so we are going to be doing the daily, yes. So basically now we are going to be doing three strategies. The
Yes.
our there is just like from the mentoring program our strategy. Then on the daily it's like the investment one that we're gonna be
Yes.
doing as well. I can send you. Let me just right here to send you. Do you want this list that is with the USDT coins in the isolated margin?
Yes.
So basically, the investment strategy on the daily, I will be doing it on this list of coins. So
Okay.
let me just write here to send you this list.
Mm-hmm.
And by the way, some of this already gave signal, but we are going to be doing it on the one that didn't give signal. But when you get the list, you will see it. So this is the daily, and then the third one that you want to be doing is the daily. I mean the day trading strategy. That is with the moving averages. And for this strategy, you can start on this trade on these pairs like. The new pairs on Binance basically the sushi, the UFI, the UFII, and then the other one Uni. There are also some two or three more. Are you going to be trading it on the isolated margin or in the
Yeah.
cross margin? On the isolated?
And isolated.
Yeah, in the isolated there is a lot of pairs, so you can pick. There is many pairs there. Um, are you going to be trading against USDT or against BTC? In the video, I'm testing against BTC, but in this case, when it's volatile, you can trade also against USDT. It depends on you which one you prefer, but you keep your account in BTC, so you will be trading against BTC in the isolated. You don't have because your account is in BTC, right? You cannot trade the USDT pairs there.
But should I split, or do you consider?
But by the way, if you want to enter, how to do it? Because if you want to enter on the in this USDT pairs in the isolated margin, you cannot enter with Bitcoin. There you need US dollars. What you
Because
can,
I can, for example, I can increase my balance just for example $1,000.
yeah, if you have some available cash that you can put some more cash in USD, and then with this cash you can do the investing, the part with the investing on the daily.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can try this, and then for the day trading you can use your Bitcoin. You can use your Bitcoin for the day trading and trade these pairs against Bitcoin.
Okay. And it's the same percentage of risk, 1% of your balance.
Yeah, it's always the same. But for example, if you decide to day trade with $1,000, this is what your risk is going to be: $10. Not the whole account, because you have different accounts for different strategies, right? So
Yes.
yeah. So if for day trading you will allocate 1,000, it means that 1% of this 1,000 it will be for this day trading.
Okay.
Yeah. So for example, for these three strategies, you can decide how much money you want to put in each one, and then risk 1% of it, not 1% of the whole.
Oh yes. Okay.
Yeah.
I understood. Yes. Yes, Bobby.
So what else? What else you want to talk about?
Mm, no, I don't have any other question because we don't have trades.
Yeah.
Maybe
So
next
yeah.
time.
So your question about being calm and having patience. I think I mean, if you have the time, so you don't have to basically be calm. You have the time and the opportunity to be day trading, so you can do that. So I think we solve this with the day trading strategy, because it will give you a lot of signals. So you can and you can pick more trades. You can pick like I don't know, you can pick more trades, so you will have signals all the time, even if some of the pairs, some of the coins, they are not giving you signals. You're still gonna have signals from the other coins.
Okay. When I saw this candle, the last red candle in Bitcoin, I got scared because when I saw $70,200, I got scared.
Yeah, it's normal because it stretch a lot. Let me show you the uh, you know stochastic or not really
Yes.
the
What I saw in your
divergences?
videos, everything that I learned is from you, of your videos.
Yeah, but you watch the one with the divergences?
Yes.
Yeah, there is a very tight divergence. Actually, here what happened first, we get a divergence like this, but then we got the hidden one. Do you remember the hidden
Yes.
divergences?
Yes.
Yeah, the hidden divergences, they cancel the regular and they are saying that higher high will come, and it came here and then another divergence. So it's normal. Actually, I was watching this on the 12 hour yesterday. I was watching it on the 12 hours, so basically you got this divergence. Also, yeah, so let's see if this is a swing failure here. Also on the 2 hour I was watching it as well. On the 2 hour it was kind of clear that it wants to, this is the swing failure pattern here, this candle, so this is why it happened. But it's okay, the Bitcoin is still in an up. I mean, right now it can take some break and it can go down for some days, but this is okay. I mean, in the long term it's still good.
Okay. Should I learn? Should I learn for the divergency? Should I know to read that?
You don't have to. I mean, it can help you, but it can harm you as well. Because before, for example, with our strategy from the mentoring program, I was adding stochastic and I was exiting on divergences. So many times it saved me a lot of money, but many times it lost me money because I I mean, I was trying to. I was doing this in order to have sharper entries and exit, basically to improve the strategy. But in reality, in the long term, it did not improve it because yes, many times I will exit on the top, but many times it will continue go up, and I exited, and in it's I mean I made
Yeah.
less money. So this is very beneficial to know, but you don't have to. I mean, you can use without it. You will still do very good. Yeah.
Because have seen is that as you know more of stochastics and everything else, you get more confused, no, about what decision to take.
Yeah, absolutely. This is the biggest reason why I don't do it in the strategy, because it's confusing you and you don't know when to exit. Just like what you said, it's exactly the reason. Yeah.
Okay.
So this is why I always try to keep these strategies very simple. And this with the moving averages, you will see as well. It's not complicated, because if you look at too
Yes.
many things, you're not gonna execute.
Okay. Do you consider the Fibonacci?
Fibonacci, no, I'm not using it. I was you can. I mean, this is another great tool, and it works very well. But you don't need to. I mean, later on when you start making a lot of money and you just want to learn more things because you already mastered this, you can add it if you want. I mean, it can work. It works. Fibonacci is it's very good, especially on the Bitcoin. It works very well. Um, but you don't have to be using it. This will work on itself.
Okay.
For example, look at this. I remember this. I enter short here. Let me show you the. You already study about the Fibonacci or not yet?
Yes.
You know this. Let me just remove the. Do you know this? The golden pocket here. The
Yes.
yeah. So
From your videos that you told that that's the code line.
yeah, this is the best, and on Bitcoin it works so well. So you can do that. Yeah, but you don't have to in order
Okay.
to yeah.
Okay. Just it's because I was worried what how much do you have to learn in order to get good trades, in order to gain. Is that enough from your what I learned from your training?
Yeah, the EMAs on itself, only the EMAs. Let me open it. This strategy with the EMAs, in my opinion, this is the best the best one, by the way. I mean, I have checked so many strategies, but in my opinion, the EMAs, they are the not only the best, but in my opinion, they are the easiest to trade because they are giving
Yeah, the
very,
simplest.
yeah,
This is the
very,
simplest.
yeah, yeah, exactly, very simple, and they keep you in the trade much longer than everything else. The EMAs, they will keep you in the trade much longer because the stochastic, for example, the stochastic, it's going bullish, bearish, bullish, bearish. So you are entering, exiting all the time. But the EMAs, they give you signal here and they let you to ride this as far as it goes.
Yes.
Yeah. So
I agree with you.
yeah, I mean, I tried all this other stuff, but I was always going back to the EMAs because, in my opinion, they are just the best, or at least this is what yeah, for you it might be something else. I mean, when you learn other stuff, you might like something more, but for me personally, I like more the EMAs, and absolutely without even learning anything else, with only the EMAs you can do very 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 well, not only in the cryptocurrencies. If you whatever else you can start trading stock market, whatever else you like, you see that the EMAs, they always work everywhere. Just in
Okay.
Yeah, just in the forex, because the EMAs, they are for trending, but when the market is going sideways, they don't work well. So in forex, it's but still most of the people trade with EMAs over there. They just go on lower time frames or stuff like this.
Okay. Okay, Bobby.
All right. So you want to, yeah?
No, there's. I think it's enough for today. No, I will start to study in the course that you told me,
Yeah.
and try if you have some you have some entering traits. You can send me a message, and I
Yeah.
will still watching
Yeah.
the
Yeah. Yeah. Okay, so yeah, we're gonna talk again next week, and we will see you probably already will be taking trades on the on. I
I
mean,
hope
date.
so.
Yeah. Okay. All right.
So do you keep always the in compound instrument investment, or do
Uh,
you split as you show in your video that you separate money and always starts from 1,000? Or that's a recommendation for the people, and you decide always to take compound interest.
so in your case, because this is it depends of the case of the person, right? So if a person is depending on income from trading, you have to withdraw, right? I mean, if someone is is a full-time trader, and this is the only income, they just have to withdraw every month because this is their only income. But in your case, since you have another job that you have money from, you can use the compound interest. I mean, the compound interest is much better. There is no doubt in this. The
Yeah, because
compound,
the difference of gains is
it's amazing, right? I mean, the difference, it's we cannot even compare it. But some people cannot use it because they need to withdraw every month because they have bills. But in your case, you can use it absolutely because you are lucky enough to have another job, and you don't need this money from the trading right now, so you can use it. It's absolutely
no.
much better. There is no no doubt in this, right?
Okay.
And this is something
Okay.
that is so, I mean, this is, yeah.
Excuse me. I was thinking because to take the points if you want to be more risky or more conservative.
What do you mean, to be more risky or more conservative? But
Yeah, if you want to keep always 1,000 each month is like you don't want to risk all your money, no?
yeah, yeah, this is also because this exchange is, I mean, it's yeah, that's true. It's risky to keep all the money there as well. So
Okay.
yeah,
I decided to. My decision is to make interest compound interest because I want to for the long time I want to increase my investment,
Yeah.
my balance.
Yeah, the compound interest, it's something that, I mean, it's just amazing, and you can be surprised how much the difference is. It's huge, the difference, right, between compound interest and the regular interest. So you can do this. Also, you can do, in case you don't want to keep all the money on Binance, you can withdraw the money from there, but you can still trade like this money are there with the margin. For example, let's say that you have 10,000, but you don't want to keep it all. You can just keep on Binance 5,000, but in your spreadsheet you can always put the 10,000 number, just like your account is 10,000, and you can still use you can still trade the same way.
Okay.
It's just you're gonna be able to take a little bit less trades, but still you are protecting yourself, right? I mean, many people prefer to do this, to keep some of their money in the bank, but still in your spreadsheet, you are taking trades like this money are in your account, even though they are not. This is just in case something happened with the exchange, or it got hacked or something, and so in order to decrease the risk.
Do you protect your money with your cold USB, or you don't?
What is this?
You know, I have seen in internet there are some USB cold or cold wallet or.
The cold wallet. Yeah, I have one. You can keep there. Yeah, this one is very safe. But I don't, because I don't have cryptocurrencies right now. But these coins that I'm going to buy now, I'm gonna buy it in the isolated margin, so you will not really be able to withdraw it. But it's, if you are able to withdraw it, it's much better in the cold wallet. Yeah.
Okay.
But if you are entering in the margin with margin, you will not be able to withdraw and to get it from there.
Okay. I understand right now.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right. So thank you. I mean, if you don't have any other question, we can finish.
I don't have it.
Okay.
I will start the training that you tell me that, and if I have a question, I can send you a message.
Yeah.
Yes,
Oh.
it's great to talk with you and to learn.
Yeah. Yeah. Thank you.
I learned many tips.
Yeah. I am recording this session, so if you I mean, I'm just putting it out there, so if you always you always have the opportunity to go back in the video and check something, I will be sending it to you, so you can
okay, thank you.
Yeah. All right. So bye bye for now, and we will talk to you. I will talk to you again, and it was a pleasure for me. So bye bye and have a good night.
Thanks. Same for you.
Yeah.
See you.
See you. Bye bye.